Okay, let us start the class. In today's class, I am going to teach in Python. Already I have started the Enum class in Python. Okay, Enum is nothing but it is abbreviation for enumerated class. Okay, enumerated class. It will consist of a constant list of constants. Okay, so in the previous class already I have briefed and you can watch the recorded videos. Today I will cover within this class. See, I told you that I will follow two websites. This is what W3 Schools, w3schools.com. One more, as I told you that is JavaTPoint.com. Okay, now today's class, I'm going to conduct the class how to hash enum numbers. Okay, how to hash enum class members. Okay, hash means in Python, in Java we have studied that hash map. One is that hash map, hash set, array list, linked list. Okay, they are called the collection frameworks. In Java, whenever we already have completed that arrays and arrays list, linked list, hash map and hash set. In Python, they are called data structures of for collections, list to tuple set dictionary. List to tuple set dictionary. So in Python, dictionary is equal to in Java hash map. Okay, understand? So already we have studied that hash map is what? Hash map means it will consist of key pair values. Already I have briefed. One key will be there and pair will be there. Okay, so I am explaining here. First of all, let me open this is what? PyCharm code editor. PyCharm code editor to write the code. So hash map means once enum class is created, already I have briefed you that to create a enum class, first of all, we need to import enum module. Okay, this is import enum module. I told you that what is module? Module is nothing but it is a directory. Okay, otherwise folder. Simply you can understand that it is a folder, otherwise directory. So that directory, otherwise folder will consist of pages, no? Otherwise files. So in the same manner, in Python, enum is a module that will consist of classes. So first we need to import enum module. From that, I have created a class weekdays. Weekdays is the enum class name. So in the hash, we will use our enum class for creating enumeration. So we will use enum class for creating enumerations. Enumerations means a list of constant values. Okay, constant. This is the list of constant values. These are called enum members, otherwise enum list. It is a enumerated list. So all these are constant 1, 2, 3. Sunday is fixed. Sunday always it has a value of 1. Okay. Monday is 2. You have provided value 2. Okay. Fixed value you have provided. Then after if you want to change Monday for 5, that is your wish. But here I have mentioned an order for Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, like that. 7 days I have provided the values. So these are fixed values, means constant. So this is called one enumerated list. Okay. So whenever enumerated list is created, so you can already, I told you that in previous class, I have used the for loop to access all these enumerated list one by one. Simple syntax in the previous class, I briefed that for loop. Then after this is a variable we need to say weekday. You can keep your name Sham Sundar is attending Sham. My name Vasu X. Anything you can give as a variable. Then loop to be rotated. Look into where this enum class. What is our enum class? This is class created. with the class keyword. This is the enum class name. And in the bracket, I have used enum.enum. Enum.enum means, understand, try to. Enum is a module. From that module, .enum. So enum is a class that is part of enum module. Why this is kept in this bracket as a parameter? Because now it becomes what? A parent class. It becomes what? A parent class. Understand? So whenever it becomes a parent class, so weekdays class becomes a child class of parent class. So here inheritance will be takes place. Inheritance means weekdays child class will inherit all the properties from the parent class. Okay. Now enum class becomes the parent class. So these are in enumerated list values. Now, if you want to print all the values one by one, use for loop, simple syntax. Okay. Weekdays is a variable. You can keep X, Y, Z, your name. So loop to be rotated in weekdays class is weekdays. Then after print variable weekday, if you keep X, print X, then you will get all the values like this. Okay. Already in the previous class, and I have conducted, I don't want to waste again because I have I am briefing you how to loop through, navigate through all the enumerated values of a class, enumerated class. So now this is the class. Now I am going to conduct here how to hash enum class. So one enum class created with some values, some okay list. So now these values to be converted into a hash map, means a dictionary. Python it is called dictionary. In Java it is called hash map. Okay. So we are studying about Python in Python. So it is a dictionary. So first of all, you need to import enum module, then create a class with any variable name, class name, days, and in bracket enum class as a kept as a parent class, that is to be colon, that is compulsory. Now after that values, enum class members you need to declare. Then hash for creating a dictionary, create a dictionary. This is the dictionary. I told you that in Python, dictionary will be declared in square brackets, sorry, flower brackets. Then after this dictionary, how to hash these values. So you need to say that this dictionary name, day type, square brackets, days dot Sunday. Sunday is the member of this class. What is this class name? Our enum class name. So days dot Sunday is equal to allot a value, somewhat value. Next day type square bracket days Monday is equal one more value we have allotted. Okay. Now we need to check back that whether the dictionary means that is called if it is successfully hashing. Hashing means whenever I told you that dictionary will consist of pairs. See, I will explain here. Come on here. Come here. See, I am going to create a dictionary in Python. First of all, come down here. Dictionary, as I told you that simply dict your, if you have written dictionary is equal. So dictionary will be created in flower braces. I told you that dictionary will have key pair values. Suppose Vasu is a string value and it is paired with one number. This is his roll number. Next, one more string value, Shyam Sundar. Okay, because Shyam is attending the class. Shyam Sundar. Okay. But Shyam is a regular student. He is attending since last time, but he doesn't want to reveal his details, no issue. So now what happened? This dict is a variable. Now dictionary is created because the data kept in flower braces. Here data is a key pair values. This is one pair key. Vasu is a key. This is a value. So total it is called a key pair, key value pair. Now this is the key, this is the value. So key value, two, two key pair values are there. So now it is a dictionary. But in Python, set will be created with the same. Set is created with the same flower braces. But in set, we will not declare any key pairs. Simply, it will be holding 10, comma. If it is 20, suppose some float 10.5. Now it is what? It is a set. It is not a dictionary. Dictionary. What is the difference between set and dictionary? Here, key pair values, key value pairs will be there. One key will be there, one value. Both are paired. So now it is a dictionary. So as per this here in this class, now once enum class is and its members are declared, now that members they need to be converted into a dictionary. Okay, we need to do like that. This is the syntax. Okay, and then we will use if condition here. If is a conditional statement. So if day type is what? Your dictionary name is equal to, okay, days dot Sunday. This is a key. This is a key. Now this is the value. Now this value is paired with this key. Now what happened? Key and value paired, comma, days dot Monday, this value paired. So then print enum's class is hashed successfully. Else print not hashed. Understood that? This is the class. We need to practically, you understood this code and I will write on the, this is what in the previous classes and directly I will directly teach the class. So after that, I thought that somewhat changement in the class in teaching style. First of all, brief them about the code. Okay, after that, give them a chance to write the code. I have changed teaching style. In the previous classes, directly I will write the code here. Okay. After that, if I show them from which material I am, material I am referring from my side, if you show that if they will get any problem, they will refer that. Okay, this is java.tpoint.com. This is the website. So whenever you log into that website, please refer. That must be HTTPS secure protocol. This protocol should be HTTPS. Otherwise, don't log into that. Always, whenever log into any website, you need to check back. That must be a secure protocol. Okay, this is the syntax. Huh? So then after, how let us practice. Okay, I have briefed you, and then we need to practice. Now come down here. Okay. Now, first of all, let me one new project. Okay. One new project. Otherwise, simply you import, you do the write the code here first. Import. Okay. Import what I told you, which you need to import a module. Okay. Module name is what? Enum. I told you that mod. Then after enum, for your reference, you can mention here module. Okay. It is a module. Already I told you that module in Python, it is just like a directory. In Java, it is called package. Module package, they will hold a lot of classes. Okay, now create a enum class with class keyword and then name of the enum class, days. Okay, in bracket, you need to now days is the class name, enum class. Now this class that is to be part of enum module has a class. I told you that enum module has a class. What is that enum class? So enum dot. Whenever you keep dot operator, this is the module. Whenever you keep dot operator, you will get all the C. C means classes. C means class. This enum module has the class enum, int enum, strength enum, string enum, okay, integer enum. This C means classes. So whenever you keep dot operator, so you click on this. So now what happened? Why it is giving error? Here we need to keep the colon. This is the syntax. Okay, otherwise if you will not give the colon, it will give error. Now why it is giving error? Because whenever your class is declared, then after you need to keep at least one statement. Otherwise, it will give error. Otherwise, if you don't want to keep any statement, simply keep pass keyword. Pass. If you keep pass, otherwise, whenever you create any class in Python, after that you need to write a single statement, at least one statement. Otherwise, it will give error. So if you don't want to write any statement, simply write pass. Okay. Now, enum module imported. Now from enum module, enum class kept as a parent class. You can comment here parent class. Enum class become what? Parent class. Now enum class become parent class. So enum class, I have already taken the class over parent class, child class in inheritance. Whenever I have conducted the classes in where that moment basic object and oops concept. That moment I have briefed that in oops concept, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, I have briefed. That moment inheritance, I have briefed that. So now enum class become parent class. So then this class days, it will become a child class of parent class. So now whenever class is declared, that moment we need to declare the enum class members. Na? So first of all, this is days. So Sunday is equal 1. Next, Monday is equal, somewhat values I have sent. Tuesday, it is up to you. What is the whatever the fixed value you want to assign. So three members I have created for this days enum class. Now, what happened? Now we need to do what? We need to check back that comment here. Let us hash these values. Which values? These values. Let us hash means what? We will pair. Means we are going to create a dictionary by this enum class. So let us hash the enum class as a direct dictionary. Okay. Now that is so. So how? First of all, create a dictionary. Take a dictionary name, any name, your name, my name, any X, Y, Z. You can take dictionary name. What is from my side? I am taking dictionary as anything. Suppose dict. Suppose simply you have dict means dict is a constructor. So don't take dict as you take X, Y, Z. A dictionary X. Simply you take X. Anything you can take them. Now dictionary, I told you that always in this flower braces. One empty dictionary. You can it's called empty dictionary. It is an empty dictionary. Yeah. Now once it is an empty dictionary, now try to understand what happened here. So we need to hash these values with what? These values with, as I told you that where is that? This is like this. We need to create a dictionary. Okay, then if a dictionary is created, we can say that it is successfully enum class hashed. Enum class hashed. Now we need to write X. Okay. Next is what? X is what? X is a dictionary. So within the dictionary, we need to say that what? Okay, Sunday. Sunday. Okay, this Sunday is equal to, okay, what happened?